What's going on? What's going on? Oh. Did you just hatch?
I was a little birdie dog. I'm going to turn into a birdie
dog. The birdie hatched. Hi, birdie. Jesse, your little birdie needs a worm. He just hatched. Oh.
Little dog birdies have superpower.
They do. Hey, birdie, can you fly? Can you fly? Not yet?
Can the birdie fly, Jess?
No, he
Why?
can't yet.
Why not?
He can't yet.
When can he fly?
And Sonny's in his Batman cave, and I'm gonna be a birdie dog. Birdie dog. Doggy and birdies supposed to have caves. The doggy birdies supposed to have super wide caves.
Oh.
Super wide caves. So what does the birdie need? What does the birdie need to fly?
A Batman cave.
And where is he getting that?
Dog birdie.
Yeah, but where is the dog birdie gonna get a cape?
Super wide cave.
Yeah, where is he gonna get it? Who's making it?
Big water?
And Sonny.
How about
Yay!